Welcome back, dear children. Myself, Sir Sunil, your physics teacher. Good morning to one and all. How are you, students? I hope you all are fine and also you all are safe. We are discussing our unit 3rd, force and pressure. Yesterday, I reminded you, today we will discuss the solved numericals, means examples which are given in our book as numericals. That we will discuss today. All of you take out your rough copy and textbook and ready to watch this video carefully. Okay, students, here is our first question from solved examples. Okay, from solved examples, our first question is here. Please read the question once. Calculate the moment of force of 5 Newton. Calculate the moment of force of 5 Newton applied on a body at a distance of 20 centimeter from a pivoted point. Okay, students, what we have to find out? The moment of force. Okay, students. So, here it is given that force F is equal to force F that is equal to 5 Newton. Okay, students. Distance also given there. Distance, you please write distance D is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, students. This can be converted as meter. How? We have to divide 20 by 100. Then we will get the answer 0.2 meter. Okay, students. We know that the equation how to find out moment of force. Okay, students, please write moment of force is equal to moment of force is equal to force into distance, F into D. We know that what is force here. Okay, force is 5 Newton and distance is 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter, that already converted as meter, that is 0.2 meter. Okay, students, that is why the moment of force is equal to moment of force that is equal to 5 Newton multiplied by 0.2 meter. Multiply these both, 5 2 ja 10, then by adjusting the point we will get the answer 1.0 Newton meter, that is equal to 1 Newton meter. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, students. Now our second question, you please read out the question. This is our second question. The moment of force of 10 Newton about a pivot is 5 Newton meter. Calculate the distance of force from the pivot. Calculate the distance of force from the pivot. Okay, students, read the question once again. Then here also some hints are given. Given that, please write in your rough copy. Given that moment of force is equal to 5 Newton meter. Force F also given here. Okay, F is equal to 10 Newton. Okay, students. Now, what is the equation to find out moment of force? That we know that. Equation to find out moment of force is equal to F into D. F into D. So, we can write directly here, we can substitute these values directly here. Okay. We know that it is given that 5, the moment of force 5 Newton meter, that is equal to F is given here, that is 10 Newton. Distance we have to find out. Okay. That can be write as D into 10 Newton, D into, okay, right, is equal to 5 Newton meter. Okay, students, 5 Newton meter. So, what is D here? D is equal to 5 Newton already there, 5 Newton up on 10 Newton. Okay, students. Now, just cancel it. Newton, okay, students. Newton can be cancelled. Clear? 5 2 ja 10. Okay, students. So, we will get the answer by calculating this. 1/2 meter. Okay. What is 1/2 meter? That is 0.5 meter. This is our final answer. Okay, students. Now, please read out the third question. Third question here. Julie can open a 2 meter wide door by a minimum force of 2.5 Newton. Find the moment of force needed to open the door. Okay, students, once again you read the question. So, here is given that, please write in a rough copy, given that force F is equal to 2.5 Newton and distance D also given here, distance D is equal to 2 meter. Okay. We know that the equation to find out, the relation to find out the moment of force, that is equal to F into D, force into distance. Okay, students. Already F is given here and D also given here in the question itself. So, it is a direct question. Okay. F we know that is given here, that is 2.5 Newton, 2.5 Newton multiplied by D also given here, that is 2 meter. 25 2 ja 50. Then by arranging the point we will get 5.0 Newton meter. Okay, student? Okay, student, this is our final answer. Now, our fourth question is here. Please read out the question. A boy opens a nut by applying a force of 150 Newton. Applying a force of 150 Newton using a wrench of length 30 centimeter. Okay. A boy opens a nut by applying a force of 150 Newton using a wrench of length 30 centimeter. If he wants to open it by a force of 50 Newton, what would be the length of wrench? This is our question. You please read out the question once again. Okay, students, here also given that, please write in your rough copy, given that force F is equal to force F is equal to 150 Newton. Okay, students. Distance also given here. Distance D is equal to 30 centimeter. It can be divided by 100. It can be divided by 100 to convert it as meter. Therefore, 30 upon 100, that is equal to 0.3 meter. Okay, students, 0.3 meter. Now we know that the equation to find out moment of force. Equation to find out moment of force. Please write it. Moment of force is equal to F into D. Okay. So F is already given. That is 150 Newton. Multiply by D also given here, 0.3 meter. Okay, students. Now by multiplying these both, you will get the answer 15 3 ja 450. 450. By arranging the points, you will get the answer 45 Newton meter. Okay, students, 45 Newton meter. That is equal to 45 Newton meter. Okay. Now what we have to find out here? If he wants to open it by a force of 50 Newton, what should be the length of the wrench? That is the question. Now please write. Now if force F is equal to force F is equal to 50 Newton. What is the moment of force needed? What is the moment of force needed? Now we know that the moment of force, okay, moment of force, that is equal to 45 Newton meter. Here it is 50 Newton meter. Length, we have to find out the length. Length we don't know, that we can take it as D, that we don't know, we have to find out. But we know the equation, moment of force, that is equal to moment of force. Please write. By writing the equations continuously, repeating, you will study. Okay, you please write it. Moment of force, force is equal to F into D. Okay, directly we can substitute here. Moment of force we have already find out. Okay, already found, that is equal to 45 Newton is equal to 50 Newton multiplied by D. Okay, students. Then what is D? This can be write as D into 50 Newton, that is equal to 45 Newton. Okay, 45 Newton meter. Okay, 45 Newton meter. Okay, that D is equal to 45 upon 50. 45 Newton meter upon 50 Newton. Newton cancelled. Clear? So now Here is the answer. By calculating this both, we will get 5 10 ja 50, 5 9 ja 45. Okay. Then we will get the final answer 0.9 meter. Can you convert it by centimeter? We can convert this one by centimeter by multiplying 100. That is equal to 90 centimeter. This is the final answer. Okay, students, please write it. Once again we can prove it. It's a lengthy one, that's why I'm going to show you once again. Okay, please read it and write it. Now here is our fifth question. A solid block of weight 80 Newton and base area 1.6 meter square is placed on a surface. Calculate the pressure exerted on the surface. A solid block of weight is given here, that is 80 Newton. Then the base area also given here, that is 1.6 meter square. We have to find out the pressure. Okay, students. Here also given that, please write, given that thrust F is equal to weight, that is equal to how much? 80 Newton. It is given in the question. And area A, that is also given here, that is 1.6 meter square. Okay. We know that the equation pressure is equal to pressure, that is equal to thrust upon area. It's a direct question. Okay, thrust is given here or weight is given here, that is 80 Newton. Area also given here, that is 1.6 meter square. So to calculate this one, what we have to do? We have to remove the decimal. Okay. To remove the decimal, what we have to do? Multiply by 10 here. 1.6 multiply by 10. What will get? We'll get 800 upon 16. We know that 16 5 ja 80. So what is the final answer? Here? We'll get 50. What is the unit of pressure? We have already discussed in the theory, that is Pascal. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, students. Now our sixth question is here. Okay, sixth question. Please read out. If a pressure of 50 Pascal acts on an area of 4 meter square, calculate the thrust. Here we have to calculate the thrust applied. Okay, students. So please read out the question once again. Here also given that pressure P that is equal to 50 Pascal. Area also given here, area A, that is given here 4 meter square. We know that the equation to find out pressure P, that is equal to F upon A, force upon area or thrust upon area. So, from this relation we can find out what is the relation to find out F, thrust. F is equal to P into A. So, already the values are here directly. We know that is 50 and 4. So, please directly substitute here 50 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 200 Newton. This is the final answer. Okay students, this is the final answer. Please write it. Now here is our 7th question. Okay, 7th question. Please read the question. A force of 20 Newton acts normally on a body having area of cross section 10 centimeter square. Calculate the pressure exerted by the body. Calculate the pressure. Clear? Calculate the pressure exerted by the body. So students, here also given that thrust F is equal to 20 Newton. Area also given here, area A is equal to 10 centimeter square. This can be converted as meter square by doing this calculation. 10 upon, you know that 10 upon 10,000 it is, meter square it is. Okay. So please cancel the zeros, then we will get 1 upon 1000 meter square. That is equal to 1 upon 10 to the power of 3 meter square, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. Okay students, we know that the equation to find out pressure P is equal to thrust upon area. Thrust upon area. What is thrust here? That is 20 Newton. Area 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. Okay students. So by calculating these both, we will get the final answer 2 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per meter square. Okay students, 2 into 10 raised to 4 Newton meter square. Okay students. Okay students, today we have discussed 7 numericals. You please write and practice in your rough copy. If you are facing any troubles, you can ask me directly when class starts. Okay students, today I am going to wind up my session. Then tomorrow will come by the 8th question onwards. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.